Starting a side hustle from scratch can feel overwhelming, but with the power of AI, it's never been easier. From generating ideas to creating content and even handling customer service, AI can help you launch faster and smarter. In this video, you'll learn exactly how to use AI tools to build a profitable online income stream, even if you're starting with zero experience. 10. Tap into AI trend spotting to find a profitable niche. The journey begins with choosing the right niche. Instead of guessing, let AI help you find what's hot. Platforms like Exploding Topics and Google Trends, enhanced with predictive AI, can analyze market shifts and consumer behavior to reveal rising niches before they become saturated. From niche subscription boxes to emerging digital services, AI trend tools give you an edge in picking the right lane. This means you can launch something with built-in demand, which is half the battle. 9. Validate your side hustle idea with AI-powered feedback. Once you've got a niche, the next step is making sure your idea will actually resonate. AI tools like ChatGPT and Gemini can simulate your target customers' reactions, questions, and concerns. You can role-play conversations, test price points, or even run sample ad copy through AI to see how people might respond. This kind of validation used to require surveys or beta tests, but now AI makes it fast, cheap, and incredibly insightful, helping you avoid costly missteps before you even launch. 8. Build your brand using AI design and copy tools. Branding doesn't have to drain your time or budget. With tools like Looka, Namelicks, and Brandmark, you can generate logos, brand names, and even full brand kits in just minutes. Want a sleek tech feel? Prefer something playful and vibrant? AI adapts your preferences and turns them into a unique visual identity. You can also use generative AI tools like Copy.ai or Jasper to create taglines, mission statements, and website copy that match your brand's personality. The result: a professional-looking brand that's launch-ready in hours, not weeks. 7. Use AI to create a digital product from scratch. One of the most scalable side hustles today is digital products, and AI makes creating them incredibly easy. Writing an ebook. Use ChatGPT to brainstorm, outline, write, and edit. Creating an online course? Use tools like Tom to design slides and Canva Magic to generate visuals. You can even generate printable planners or resource packs using AI design tools. Whether it's a guide, a digital download, or a course, AI accelerates the entire creation process without sacrificing quality. 6. Supercharge your marketing with AI content creation. Marketing is where many side hustlers struggle, but AI gives you the boost you need. Social media captions, blog posts, ad copy, email sequences, all of it can be created with tools like Jasper, Notion.ai, or WriteSonic. Want to launch a campaign on Instagram, YouTube, or TikTok? Use tools like Pictory or Synthesia to generate videos without ever showing your face. From voiceovers to subtitles and video editing, AI does the heavy lifting, so you can stay focused on growing your audience and driving traffic. 5. Launch and manage an e-commerce store with AI tools. Thinking of launching an online store? AI can automate the parts that usually take the most time. Write product descriptions using ChatGPT. Use AI to track inventory, suggest prices, and upsell customers. Shopify integrates with various AI plugins to help you manage customer service through chatbots, analyze sales trends, and even suggest marketing strategies. With AI doing the heavy operational work, you can focus on curating products and optimizing the customer experience. 4. Scale your freelance services using AI to work faster and smarter. Whether you're a writer, graphic designer, consultant, or video editor, AI can increase your efficiency and output. Grammarly and WordTune improve your writing. Midjourney and DAL*E create custom illustrations or design elements. ChatGPT can help you craft pitches, write proposals, and brainstorm ideas on the fly. This means you can take on more clients, deliver faster results, and build a reputation without burning out. You're essentially working with a digital assistant that speeds up your workflow without charging hourly rates. 3. Automate admin, scheduling, and finances with AI assistance. Running a side hustle involves more than just doing the work. You also have to manage it. AI-powered tools like Motion or Clara can handle your calendar, book appointments, and follow up with clients. QuickBooks and FreshBooks use AI to generate invoices, categorize expenses, and even forecast your taxes. You'll spend less time buried in admin tasks and more time doing the work that actually moves your business forward. AI turns back-office headaches into smooth, automated workflows. 2. Use AI analytics to improve and pivot in real time. Once your side hustle is live, the smartest thing you can do is learn from what's working and what's not. AI-powered analytics tools like Hotjar or Crazy Egg track how users interact with your website, sales pages, or apps. Social listening tools analyze how people are talking about your brand online. You can run A/B tests, track ROI, and tweak your marketing, all based on real-time data. With AI insights, you're not just working harder, you're working smarter and adjusting in real time to grow faster. 1. Monetize multiple income streams with AI strategy tools. The top reason AI can take your side hustle to the next level is its ability to optimize how you make money. Whether it's affiliate marketing, product sales, membership programs, or ad revenue, AI can help you analyze which income streams are most profitable and recommend where to double down. It can help you price your products correctly, bundle your offerings, or identify your most profitable customer segment. This means you can scale smarter, grow your revenue faster, and build long-term income without playing the guessing game. Let me know in the comments section below. What do you think of our video? If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching.